What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video. We got to go over Dogecoin today. As you can see, we went through this drop like we predicted yesterday. So yeah, we're going to be going over this. And also, if you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe. It really helps the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. Leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you all want me to go over next. And also, definitely check out the PayPal donation link in the description if you want to donate to the channel. That'll help out a lot, or the Cash App link. But also, if you want these automated trading indicators, check out the Vital Algo link in the description. You can get a 25% discount when you use the discount code Marsellis. So these trading indicators are very, very helpful. So let's go over Dogecoin right now. So yesterday, yes, we predicted this yesterday. Yesterday, I went ahead and I said, look, we either got one of two options. We're either going to break out right here where we hit this area right here. And we actually did. We hit this area. We couldn't really break out from this for some reason. Like we were just stuck way below that support, and it did not want to break out of the consolidation period. So we didn't end up going on this little uptrend here. And these red areas up here, this shows you the supply and demand. It shows you that the demand is very low when it gets up to this red area. So we kind of predicted this. We knew that we wouldn't be able to get above this consolidation, and if we did get above the consolidation, then we also knew that the high activity expected from the institutional interest and the whales was going to be big. So if we did get above the consolidation, it would have been a big jump. So there's a lot of analysts that have different opinions on this, and we're going to go over their opinions as well. So look, also over here you can see the chance of reversal is very high. So it showed right here that there was a very high chance of reversal, a very high chance that we actually go on a downtrend. So when we broke out of our consolidation, we went on that downtrend here. And again, this is a vital algo. That's what I use for these trading indicators. But anyways, over here, you can see 24-hour market control is in control by the bears by 60%. So the bears are actually controlling us by 60%. And then the second we got down here, we didn't even get all the way down to the support. We just ended up, hitting this area right here. And like I said, this green area right here, this is the supply and demand area. It's showing us that there's heavy demand for Dogecoin in this area. So actually the demand in this area isn't even institutional interest or big whales, well, it is whales, but not institutional investors. So as you can see here, low activity expected from institutional investors. Institutional investors only want to hop in Dogecoin when they're really seeing it around 25 cents, and because that tells them that Dogecoin is about to be bullish. And that's actually what a lot of analysts are saying here. So right here, you can see that we went on a strong uptrend here, but now that we hit this area, we're going on a strong downtrend. So that's why I like Vital Algo. It really tells you exactly when everything's happening. But as you can see here, we were a little bit overbought like after this downtrend, and we went on this uptrend. Like we were a little bit overbought because all the selling that happened, which is actually what's bringing us into this temporary bear market, I should say. So yeah, as you can see here, overbought going down here, and the bears are controlling here. You can see here on the oscillator, we're actually going on a little bearish movement here. So this is going to show that we're probably going to trickle down just a little bit to this support line of 22 cents. And I did mention that yesterday that we got to get past this hurdle in order to prevail with Dogecoin. So we have a lot to get done with Dogecoin here. We have a lot to do. So we definitely got to keep pushing. We got to keep holding on the line for Dogecoin, hodling. And also another thing with Dogecoin goes up with the social media sentiment. So if we keep tweeting stuff about Dogecoin, it helps Dogecoin. If we keep talking about it, it helps Dogecoin. Me making these videos helps Dogecoin. Everything that we do on social media helps Dogecoin. Like everything that we do, that involves Dogecoin is helping us, rise. So we definitely need to help Dogecoin out if we really want to, prevail and continue to rise here with Dogecoin and continue to have good movements. Because let's be completely honest, everything else in the crypto market, look at Bitcoin at $56,000. Bitcoin at $56,000 used to be Dogecoin at like 40 to 50 cents. So we definitely need to keep pushing because right now Dogecoin isn't doing as good as everything else, and that's just the honest opinion now, or I would say honest fact, really, because Dogecoin should be doing very well with everything else at the prices that they're at now. But yeah, Dogecoin is still doing all right though. It's holding its weight. It's definitely holding its weight. Dogecoin down 4% for the day. Bitcoin up 2.47% for the day. Dogecoin up 9.96% for the week. Bitcoin up 18.68% for the week. And with the contrast in prices, Dogecoin should definitely have a higher percentage of positive growth than Bitcoin. So we definitely need to push harder here with Dogecoin. So anyways, like I said, we're gonna be going over the analysts and what they believe is going on here with Dogecoin. So let's go do that. This one analyst thinks Dogecoin has a 1,000% Dogecoin rally like incoming. And this is coming from Daily Hodl. Shout out to them for this article here. So crypto analyst says Doge mirroring pattern from April breakout. So this is actually pretty bullish. They're saying that they have a bullish technical pattern that they're seeing. So a top crypto strategist and trader says that it is within the realm of possibilities that Dogecoin can ignite a surge reminiscent of its massive breakout in April. Justin Bennett tells 73,300 Twitter followers that the leading meme cryptocurrency has mirrors of action of technical patterns last seen in Doge 6 months ago before launching a whopping 13x rally. So they're saying that possible 13x could come. Now, a 13x in Dogecoin, like think about it, 23.6 times 13. I mean, that would bring us to $3. So that's a pretty big bullish analysis. I would say let's push a $1 before we do that. But shout out to them for this though. So as you can see, Doge is doing what it does best. The last two breakouts triggered gains of 1,000% more, blah, blah, blah. But this is pretty much what they're predicting here. And they're saying we could possibly do, huge growth because this is what we did back inside of January. You can see back here in January, we had a huge pump. Let me actually open this in a bigger view so we can really look at this. So we had a huge pump back here in January, right? And then we had a little bit of a dip here and then we consolidated. Then we had a huge pump inside February and then we consolidated. And then here in April, we had a way bigger pump. And then we had a very long consolidation, which we're in right now. So we actually could be doing, the same movement here. Like if this happens, like, wow, like if it happens, they're actually looking at it from a good perspective here. Like this is exactly what happened in May and April. Actually, if we do the same exact thing that we did in April, then that means Dogecoin's going to $3. So this, I don't want to hear clickbait by anyone. People are screaming that I was talking about clickbait with the Shibini video. We need to get past the hurdle. And yes, we need to get past this bearish hurdle for all these cryptos. Like right now, we need to get past this hurdle here. So there's been a lot of FUD in the market, fear, uncertainty, and doubt. Like we need to get past this right here. And if we actually break past this whole consolidation area, then we're definitely going to rise here with Dogecoin. So I'm really excited to see what happens next here with Dogecoin. Anything could really happen. So according to the trader's chart, Doge is printing a large ascending triangle formation, a bullish pattern suggesting the continuation of an asset's uptrend. So should Doge follow Bennett's script, the 10th largest crypto asset can ascend to as high as $3, marking an upside potential of 1,150 from its current price of 24 cents. So Bennett is also bullish on Doge in the short term, suggesting that the 10th largest crypto asset may be gearing up to take out its large diagonal resistance. So Doge is moving back to resistance, consolidation below its resistance here. So yeah, they're saying that we have some bullish stuff here. Consolidation under resistance in a bullish uptrend is pretty much what they're saying. So they're saying we're pretty much bullish here at Dogecoin. So that's a pretty bullish analysis. And then over here, you're seeing this investing cube. Shout out to them for the article. And they're saying Dogecoin price prediction 20% drop shows Doge faces an uphill battle. So they're saying we're facing an uphill battle here at Doge. So they're saying the price forecast, the daily chart shows that Doge is trending sideways in a narrowing wedge formation. The descending top edge of the wedge is seen at 26.8. And this consolidation that I'm showing here, this is short-term consolidation. I didn't show what the other person showed. This is short-term consolidation, 100% short term. Like if you look at it from the 4-hour chart, this is a longer point of view that you can look at it from. So when you look at it from this chart, they're definitely talking, some correct stuff. Like when you look at it, yes, that is exactly what they're looking at here. They're looking at it from this pattern here. And if you looked at it from this pattern here, then you can definitely see the ascending triangle that's forming here. So Doge definitely has huge potential here. We just gotta have faith in Dogecoin. Pretty much, that's pretty much what we had to have. We had to have some good faith in Dogecoin. But anyways, let's keep going over this. So as you can see here, the descending top edge of the wedge is seen at 26.8 and was the point which last week's rally failed. Blah blah blah. 100-day moving average DMA at 24.01, the 50 at 24.91, and 200 at 26.75 added to the significant overhead resistance. So they say over here the initial downside target is the rising trend line at 18 cents and around 20% below the last trade at 23.70. So they're saying Dogecoin possibly could take a dip. So there's two different there's two different analysis here. These people are saying that Dogecoin could possibly dip to 18 cents, and then they're also saying possibly 10 cents. But the other people are saying that Dogecoin could hit another huge rally like last April, and that's actually very true. It could. So that's why I also had these two options, because you can never 100% predict what happens in the market. It's all on where the market's going. It's all on where the money's going. Money went out, Dogecoin went down. The bears tried to take over, so Dogecoin went down. As you can see, bears are in control of the market by 60%. If you let this load up, you'll be able to see that. Bears in control by 60%, as you can see there. So also you can see here there are some green candlesticks that are starting to form. So we're probably going to have another chance of reversal and probably go back up on an uptrend right here, quite possibly. But anyways, there is some good stuff going on with Dogecoin. We just got to continue to hold the line. But yeah, Dogecoin is doing all right. I want to talk about some of the whales I've seen here in Dogecoin and the movement that they've actually been having today. So this Dogecoin came in last night with $35.1 million. These Dogecoin whales are making lots of money. They're coming in with huge one-time purchases, which is a big sign of bullish movement. So this is actually pretty big. 35.1 million, and now it's at 35.3 million, 200K overnight. This Dogecoin whale came in today at 24.8 million, and now they're at 24.9 million, about 100K inside a few hours. So that's pretty big there. This Dogecoin whale did a little bit of a day trade here. They came in yesterday around 24. Wow, that's a lot of money. So around 20 inside military time, and then over here you can see $24.3 million turned into $24.8 million today, about 5 a.m. today. So that's actually a pretty big step up. It's 6:49 a.m. as I'm recording this video, very early. But yeah, they made a lot of money doing this little day trade here. So maybe they're using Vital Algo for these technical indicators. Because look, if you would have invested down here when Vital Algo told you there was a chance of reversal, you could have bought in there, and it sold right up there as the uptrend hit, and then we're about to hit the strong downtrend. So yeah, you could have done that. But anyways, over here, $285,000 bought in by this Dogecoin whale is here. This Dogecoin whale here has a lot of money, big money right now. So shout out to this Dogecoin whale. But anyways, this is all I got for you guys today. Remember, though, I'm not a financial advisor, none of this financial advice. But yeah, if you like the video, though, hit the like button and subscribe, because it really helps the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. Leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you all want to hear about next. And also check out the link in the description if you want to go ahead and donate to the channel. It'll help me out a lot. Or the PayPal link or the Cash App link. Definitely hit those links. But anyways, if you guys want these automated trading indicators, definitely check out the Vital Algo link in the description. Now, Vital Algo is a trading indicator platform that is connected to TradingView, and you can get a 25% discount code if you use the discount code Marsellis at checkout. So definitely do that, and I'll be back with another video. Peace.